how to dismantle an AMPD Bluetooth stereo unit. This particular model is an IGNT-1. So how to get to the battery basically. So what we do first is get a very sharp knife or a screwdriver and just pry up the speaker grill, and these are glued in the four corners. So just work away gently without trying to without damaging the front, and then that speaker system that will lift off. To get to the 8 screws of the speakers, and also another 8 screws in the front casing. So a total of 16 screws to undo. Right, next we get a 3mm hex screw or Allen key and undo the screws of the handle. The handle is also glued, so just force it. It takes a bit of force to pull it off. Just get a screwdriver and prise them off. On the side wall inside where the speaker sits, you need to get a small screwdriver and just push that clip through the hole while forcing the two halves apart. It's a bit difficult and it takes a bit of force, but the two halves will come apart. Exposing the battery. This is a lead acid battery. There's the model number of the battery to replace. Hope this helps everybody. Goodbye.